Here I've got ASUS Zenfone 6 and let me show you how to record screen on the following device. So all you have to do is to slide down the upper bar and then locate screen recorder icon. Click on it. Here you've got the countdown and now it started. So let me perform some actions. Maybe we'll change the wallpaper so it's visible. And let me choose, for example, this one. Apply. And now we can stop recording right here. And as you can see, it has been done. So now you can either share it, you can edit this video or delete it, obviously. You can open it through the gallery. Here we've got the gallery. And now here is our video. So let me play it so you can see that it was recorded correctly. Here's the exactly same action. Okay, so we can stop it right now. And if you would like to edit it, just click on edit. And now you can trim it, you can add some sound to it, or do whatever you want to. So let me go back. Then you can also share it with your friends, add to favorites, or obviously delete the file. So this is it. This is how you can record a screen on your ASUS. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.